When you get a new watch, the strap might not fit your wrist perfectly. This quick guide will show you how to adjust it easily. Pry open the flip lock and the latch with your thumbnail. To resize the watch band, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or any similar blunt prying tool you might have. Step 1. Insert a screwdriver into the hole in the clasp. Step 2. The clasp will be released as you lever it up with the screwdriver. Step 3. After opening the clasp, slide the buckle along the watch band to adjust it to fit your wrist. Align the back of the clasp with a groove in the mesh watch strap. If you try to close the clasp without first having aligned it with a slot in the mesh strap, the clasp will be unable to close. Step 4. Close the inner latch by pressing down on it firmly with your thumb. Make sure that the inner latch has been closed securely. Hook the clasp onto the bar. Press the outer latch. Snap the flip lock. It will likely take a few tries to get a perfect fit.